Because the internet keeps on emerging, there are a plethora of methods to generate money online. Despite the fact that there are several tactics and ways available, not all of them succeed as intended. But that's alright. Perhaps we haven't discovered yet the ideal solution for you, and you're simply unaware of how to apply these techniques appropriately. As a result, in today's video, we're going to show you a system that will help you generate money in the most efficient way possible, with the simplest steps to follow so you won't miss anything and can start making money right now. It's accessible to anyone from all around the world, so anyone may join and earn money in this way. It's also absolutely free, so you won't have to invest anything and you won't need any skills or expertise to participate. So everyone has an equal opportunity. To get started, simply make sure you have a phone or a laptop with internet access and you're ready to go. We'll take you through today's full strategy step by step since we want you to pick it up quickly and earn money correctly. So to avoid being confused by today's strategy, make sure you watch the full video from beginning to end. Please make sure you don't skip any parts so you don't miss any crucial details, since if you do, you're more than likely not to receive the results you wish. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. Now go ahead and search up creativelive.com because we're going to show you how to make thousands of dollars with this website. Let's take a brief tour of this website to give you an idea of what it's all about. You are going to be able to do what you wish, gain the skills you need to achieve your goals in your profession, fulfill your passion, and succeed in life. In other words, this website is for those who wish to train or study a certain passion or expertise. If I go to the top of the page and click on classes, you will see all of the online programs that this website provides. As you can see, there are plenty of them. There are several channels, hobbies, skills, collections, and filters among other things. Now go down to the bottom of the website and look for Become an Affiliate, which you should click on and shall then take you to this page. Now as you can see from the affiliate program, our affiliate partners provide an audience yearning for creative instruction and the chance to make a living from their skill. Sites that specialize in online education, photography, handicraft, music, business, and training tools are excellent fits. There is a 30% revenue share for new customer sales. You can monitor it. You can see the sales you make in real time and analyze your success with comprehensive reporting tools. And you can make more money. Within 30 days of the first click, you will receive a commission on any purchases made by recommended consumers. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. What does the Creative Live Affiliate Program cover and how does it operate? The affiliate program is a service that allows participating websites to earn money on creative live purchases referred through specifically monitored links. We'll provide you with personalized links and banners to put on your website. And when a visitor you recommended to us makes a purchase, we'll keep track of it and pay you a percentage. Are there any fees? No, the Creative Live Affiliate Program does not charge any fees. Registration and participation on this website are absolutely free. Is it possible for me to join as an affiliate if I live outside of the United States? Yes, they welcome affiliates from everywhere in the world, as long as share sales engage in your location. Please note that all commission payments are done in US dollars at this time. So how much do you pay in commission? For new customer sales, we pay a 20% commission. 10% for returning customer purchases, and a $1 lead reward for new registrations. So that's pretty much an overview of the entire website, as well as some of the frequently asked questions answered for you. You can definitely go to the website and scrutinize and study it on your own if you want to learn and read more. However, because they are such large requests, we believe that some of the information should be highlighted. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. So now is the time to register. To begin the registration process, simply click sign up right here and you'll be directed to this page. Creative Live was established in 2010 with the purpose of providing strong new skills and inspiration mentorship to creators, as you can read here. Tens of thousands of people watch their free live seminars, and their digital archive of high-quality creative education has taught millions of students, professionals, and artists throughout the world. Their associate partners cater to those searching for creative education and a way to make an income doing what they love. Optimum partners in this website focus on online education, photography, crafting, music, business, and training tools. Some features of the Creative Live affiliate program include a 30% commission on new customer sales, a 0% commission on return customer purchases, a 30-day tracking cookie, a wide range selection of text links and banners, newsletters with program updates, advertisements, competitions, and incentive opportunities, and dedicated affiliate management team form acceleration partners. Fill in the blanks and then proceed with the sign-up procedure as you would with any other sign-up process. After you've signed up for everything, you'll have access to all of the classes. And it looks like this right here. And essentially, you're going to have your own affiliate link, and you're going to be able to receive affiliate links for certain classes that you can eventually give out to all of your referrals and get commission on whatever they spend on the website. Because everyone is on Twitter and there are bound to be a lot of individuals on here who want to see specific talents and likes, Twitter.com is the greatest location to post your affiliate link for everyone to see. So join up for a free account and then tweet something like, if you want to learn how to use Adobe Photoshop, go here, or whatever it is that you are marketing. We can also make use of the well-known Quora.com, which is excellent. All you have to do is look up the class you want to promote. So let's suppose you're using Adobe Photoshop again, and you have a lot of questions about Adobe Photoshop, how to use Adobe Photoshop, and so on. So you're going to respond to all of the inquiries about that search with your affiliate link and say, hey, this is the link that will assist you in learning a specific ability. So make sure you do that, and that's pretty much it. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!